Hi-ho, everyone! Welcome to the Magic Show! As punishment, I sentence... Ooh. For punishment, I suggest...
Hello again. I understand that you want to see another card trick, but did you really have to put me back in handcuffs?
Well, it was either that or vines.
I understand. I think. Okay, so this time I'm going to... This is very difficult in handcuffs. I'm going to deal out some cards. And while I'm going through, I'd like you to tell me when you want me to stop. And that will be your card.
Stop.
Okay, do you want me to stop there or go a few more?
Stop.
Alright. So, do you want this card right here or the next card?
The next card.
The next card. Okay, I'm gonna show you this card. Can you see it?
Moving it a bit closer. Yeah.
Okay. Alright, can you see it? Have you got it? Alright. I'm going to lose it in the deck. And do you have a special magic word that you like to say?
Poison.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Right, so just say the magic word, your magic word, as I riffle the deck.
Poison.
Okay, now you can see, I don't know if you can see this, but all the cards are still green. All the cards are still green except for one poisoned card. All the rest of the cards are green except for one poisoned card. For the first time, what was the card that you poisoned or selected?
7 of Hearts.
7 of Hearts. This is the 7 of Hearts. Now I can't. Now, obviously, I cannot. I'm sorry to have to tell you this, but I can't have a poisoned card in this deck. So, could you? Do you have maybe a magic word that could reverse the spell at all?
Mother Nature.
Mother Nature. Okay, so just say the magic word as I flick the card.
Mother Nature.
Good. And now we are back to having a fully green deck. Okay, now can you take
I'm
off?
grabbing you.
I'm sorry?
I'm grabbing on you.
Okay.
I'd like to thank...